Okay, so in Unity how we change the color of objects is by creating materials. So I've created a materials folder and I'm going to go to right click, create material, and I'm going to make a material called eyeball, and on the right in the inspector I'm going to change its albedo to basically black, and then I can drag that onto the object. Now if I want to go and edit the actual original prefab, I need to open up that prefab and drag the material onto that, because if I change what is just on the scene, it is only changing that one section. Okay, so we've got that one there, and let's create another one for the head, and we'll just make it a yellow, and we'll make another material for the ground, and we're just going to make the ground a bit of a green. So this one will go back to the scene, and we're just going to drag that onto here, and I'm just going to save the scene and play it, and we can see we've got our character. So we now have a quick way of adding materials onto a Unity object. There are more complex ways for adding different textures onto this, but this is enough just to get started.